guys, Dr. Heath Travis with Travis Chiropractic in Tulsa, Oklahoma at 101st and Riverside. And today I want to talk about one of the issues that we see often, and people describe it a lot of different ways, but we're going to talk about shoulder pain. And there's really a couple of things that I see in my office regarding shoulder pain. And the first is, hey doc, I have shoulder pain and it's right here. And that's a classical shoulder pain in the shoulder joint itself. And there's a lot of different things we can do with that as far as evaluation and finding out what's going on. Are we talking, rotator cuff? Or are we talking just the bursa? There's the labrum. There's a lot of different things in the shoulder joint. But the other thing that I see most often is people come in and say, I have shoulder pain, and they point right here. And so they're right off the edge of their shoulder blade, and it is a shoulder pain. What we find, though, is there is a muscle. There's a lot of musculature back there, but specifically there's a few muscles that really run from the edge of the shoulder blade all the way up to the occiput or the skull. When these muscles start to get tight and pull, they can start to pull the head down to one side. They pull on the shoulder blade. They start to compress nerves and different soft tissue in that area, and they become very, very painful. Now, we see it often because people are, again, in this kind of head-forward rolled position and doing different activities like typing or texting or whatever it may be. We kind of get this pinpoint pain. A mouse is also another very, very common reason for this pain. So we find that if we're able to go in and reestablish normal motion in this part of the spine and the shoulder, the way they move together, all of a sudden this pain starts to ease up pretty quickly. And then next thing they know, everything's back to normal and it's like it never happened. Now, this is where we also get into postural training on how to set up your workstation, how to set up your life so that you don't get these repetitive stress injuries. But shoulder pain is probably in my office today, even if you're coming in for something else, say low back pain, I'd say 90% of the time this is going to be like a secondary complaint that people have. And it may even be their primary complaint, and it may be shooting severe pain down the entire arm. These are things that we can evaluate and things that we can help with. So if somebody at your work team or just a friend or family that you know is having one of these shoulder issues, please, it's something that we love to evaluate. Chiropractic is very, very, very good at treating and handling these type of situations. And if we can help, we would love to see you. Again, 918-296-7587 is our phone number. And we're at 101st and Riverside in Tulsa, Oklahoma. Thank you.